Welcome back, guys. My name is Rohan Biju, and today I'm back with another monitor unboxing. And today we're gonna unbox the Acer K243Y monitor. And I actually got this from Costco, and it cost $100. I know, right? Yeah, it's pretty cheap for a monitor. I don't know if it's worth it. This is gonna be my first experience with this product. You're gonna see my reactions and what I feel about this product. If you're gonna find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like button if you like this video, and also feel free to comment if you have any questions. I will reach out to you and help you with anything you need. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and welcome to Techno Review. So this monitor has a full HD display, AMD FreeSync, has in-plane switching. It also has a VRB1 MS, it has blue light shield, and it's also flickerless. I'll show you what's in here. This is probably the neck of the monitor. This is the power cable. We get the manual, and then we got an HDMI cable. And then we got the base of the monitor. Let's keep that aside. Next, we got the monitor right there. Put the stuff down. Let's take the monitor out of this. And right off the bat, this looks amazing. You can see that this is a matte finish. It looks really nice. It has like bezel-less sides, which is very cool. I mean, this design is kind of comparable to like other Samsung monitors I have like reviewed before. You can check out those videos like somewhere up here in the iCard above. Yeah, this can be comparable to the other monitors I've actually reviewed before. But let's kind of build this for now, and let's do it. Let's go. You just screw it in right here. Kind of just screw it in. And then you may see this hook right here. There is like a place where you place it right here. Put that in. And there you go. It's perfectly awesome monitor. Also, as you may know, this does tilt. This is a 180p display, but still, it does tilt. That's a very good feature. In some of my previous videos I did, there's some monitors that didn't tilt, but I kind of feel like this tilt feature is very helpful to some people. There were a lot of comments asking about different monitors, and I kind of feel like people prefer like a monitor that can tilt, and that's more versatile. You can also mount this up. There is place for that right here. I mean, the build of this looks awesome. You can see like the nice ridges, and this looks amazing. For this price, the design is exquisite. I absolutely love the design. You place the power cable right here, okay? So the power button is actually right here at the top. You press that. So what do I use to connect my MacBook Pro with my monitor? I actually use a hyperdrive. It has this dongle, has two USB-Cs, and it's called a hyperdrive. There are multiple types of these online. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It has two USB-As, two USB-Cs. There are two spots for storage cards, and there is also an HDMI port, which I mainly use for my connection with the MacBook Pro to the monitor. So I put the hyperdrive right here. Then you take the HDMI cable and plug it in right here. And then you plug the other end to the respective port on the monitor. I connected my Mac to the monitor. Yeah, as you can see, it actually looks amazing. I kind of like it already. You can see the color, it's amazing actually. I actually love this a lot. It looks absolutely amazing. It's very crisp. This monitor is definitely worth this price. I actually think this might be a steal. This is actually better than like a usual $300 or $400 kind of monitor, and this looks absolutely amazing. Some of you also wanted to see how your Xbox looked like when it was connected to the monitor, so here it is. So after connecting the Xbox to the monitor, let's play some Jedi Fallen Order. Of course, it's a very good game to show the dynamics. So as you can see, the image quality is very crisp. I'm sorry for my bad gameplay, but I really enjoyed using this monitor. It was really smooth, colors were really crisp, and it was decently, I don't know much about gaming monitors or like monitors in general, but based on my experience as an average user, I find it very nice. It's an amazing monitor for its price. I don't think you can find something this good for this price. I've seen some $90 kind of monitors in Costco, but I haven't actually picked them up yet. So that might be a future video. If you want to see more things like that, comment below. Just tell me what product you want me to review, and I will try my best to get them and show it to you guys. And also, kind of like my first impressions, I like it. I haven't used it enough to kind of like understand it and know what it's good for. But for right now, I hope this is really helpful for you. So click here to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching, and bye-bye.